Okay, quick tool bag hack for your screwdrivers. How to organize your screwdrivers so that they don't fall over in your tool bag. Get 2 pieces of 2x4. Scrap good, wood is good. And I just screwed them together. And I drilled holes for each of the screwdrivers that I normally carry. So these are my most common. These 2 flatheads, this one Phillips, and the red and the yellow. Those are just nut drivers. Use them all the time. And then of course my multi-tool there. But get some neat organized. And then this is just a regular tool bag I got from Lowe's. And it fits perfectly down the side. Very neat, very organized, very easy to get to.